Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be making some really spooky, cute potion bottles. And everything that I use is from the Dollar Tree. So here I have some bottles from the Dollar Tree. I also have these little witch hats. And I'm going to be spray painting the witch hats with some black fabric paint. And I am going to be spray painting the bottles with some black spray paint. So that's basically all I'm doing in this clip. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see I went ahead and I spray painted all of these bottles black. I really just love the look of the black bottles, so I did go ahead and spray paint them. These bottles are from Dollar Tree. Now what I'm going to use to be zhuzhing them up, decorating them, are going to be these little guys here. These are from Dollar Tree. I need another pack of these because I seem to be using them a lot. And then I have these here from the 99-cent only store. Look at this quality. It looks like real hair on these spiders and it's ugly. I love it. So as you can see, so I got this size and then I have this size here. I'm not sure which one I'll be using yet, but options. So I also have this here because I might add a little bow because this witch is a little bit of a glam. She likes a little bit of glam too. She may be a witch, but she likes glam. And I'm going to be possibly using this rope here, also from a Dollar Tree. Look at the quality on this rope. Isn't it just amazing? I love it. So I'll also be using these stickers here. They're so cute. I love them so much. If you like them as much as I do, don't worry, your girl got you. I'm going to be holding a giveaway over on my Instagram. So this is how you're going to enter. You must like this video, be a subscriber of mine, head over to my Instagram, follow me there. Once you see that I post these potion bottles on my Instagram, go ahead and leave a comment, tag a friend, and that'll enter you right there and then. Also, this is only a US giveaway. I'm sorry, but shipping is a lot. So yeah, that's how you're going to enter, and good luck. Let's go ahead and let's get started making these bottles. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's start with these here. So as you can see, these are stickers. I'm not sure if I'm going to be going over them with Mod Podge. I'm going to see how well they stick. If they stick well enough, then I'm not going to go over them with any Mod Podge. I'm just going to leave them as is. I'm trying to see if I have it in the right spot. I mean, at the end of the day, they're just potion bottles. All right. Ooh, nice. Look at that. It already looks really, really cute. And let me see here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stick all the stickers on. So that one's on. Oh my god, I already love the way they look right now without anything on. Okay, we'll start with this hemlock. Never heard of it. What is hemlock? Let me know down below if you know what hemlock is, because I don't. And if you can hear that fan noise, it's my fan because it's 100 and probably 10 degrees here in California right now. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this guy and I think I'm gonna go ahead and glue the head right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place this guy on here. Make sure he's straight. So cute. Do you see that? Love this. It's already so cute. So here's what this one's looking like. Love that. And I definitely want a head on here or a spider. I don't know. Let's play around. Okay, so with this bottle here, I went ahead and I took my spiders out. I'm going to use this spider here. Look at how ugly this spider looks. Let me try and focus it. Look at that. Isn't it ugly and hairy and gross? Oh, it's gross. So I'm going to take this guy and it came with a little clip and these hairs are getting everywhere. It looks like I shaved my legs on top of my desk. So they came with little clips, but I just go ahead and pull them out. I'm gonna make him be coming down the bottle. Just hold him down. So now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take this head and I'm gonna glue him up here because I did get some spray paint right there. So I kind of want to conceal that. So I'm just gonna do that by using this head. All right, and then here is my second little bottle. So cute. Now let's move on to this bottle here. I think I'm gonna put a head on every bottle because I really like the way the heads look, but we'll see because I am gonna, you know, be putting some rope and stuff. So I do wanna use this rope and I'm gonna go ahead and use it on this one or over here. Let me use it on this one because I feel like it matches. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna tie it on. I'm just gonna be tying this on like that. And I want the string coming to like the side. So I'm trying to determine how long I want my string. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to about here. And it's okay if this frays because it's a potion bottle. It's supposed to look ugly. All right. So that looks good. Once I tied my little bow down, here's what it's looking like. Then I have the little string coming out here on the side and it's so cute. Tell me this little bottle isn't so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add another little head. Should I add a spider? Oh no, I have my little hats. I have my little hats. I totally forgot that I had these drying in my garage. These are the little witch hats from Dollar Tree. Now, they do come in purple, green, and orange. But I wanted mine to be all black. So what I did is I just spray painted them with fabric paint. So all I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these hats and I'm going to turn these skulls into witch skulls and I'm obsessed. Just going to put glue through here. And I'm going to take the little hat and I'm just going to place it on the head. Oh my gosh, so cool. I'm so excited right now. You have no idea. I almost forgot about these guys. Tell me that isn't so cute. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that just took it up a whole nother notch. I totally forgot about these guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take another big spider because why not? YOLO. We'll go with the big ones. I think I'm gonna take more little ones and spread them out to the bottom right now. Down. So I'm gonna have it crawling down. Like right there. All right, so I'm gonna take my glue and I'm gonna put some glue here. And I want his leg kind of up here on the neck of the bottle. Like that. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at that. Doesn't that look spooky? Okay, so I feel like this one needs a little bit of razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this little baby spider. I'm gonna put him like down here. Or should I put him right here? Or should I just put a big one? And then I'm gonna go ahead and just stick him on. So I'm gonna also add some string to this guy here. Go ahead and tie this on. And I want one to be longer than the other. There we go. So cute. I'm loving this. Okay, so now I need to add some spiders to this guy. I think I'm gonna put a spider on the rope. Yes, I'll make this one go up though. So I'm gonna glue a couple of baby spiders here on the rope. So look at that, isn't that so cute? So I went ahead and put the spiders climbing up the rope. Oh my gosh, adorable. All right, here they are. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm obsessed with them. You have no idea. I don't know why I didn't attempt this DIY last year or the year before or the year before that, because I am absolutely in love with the way they came out. Everything is from Dollar Tree and it only costs a few bucks to make them. When if you go to the store to buy something like this, I'm sure you're going to be paying well over $10 for one bottle. So it just goes to show what a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of creativity can create. So I'll give you a little bit of a looky-see. If you want to see how I decorate with these, then stay tuned. Get subscribed, hit the notification bell, and you will see how I decorate for Halloween. So that's gonna end it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you will be trying out your own DIY bottles. And don't forget to enter my giveaway, because I would love for you to be able to recreate these. And also, if you can please share this video with all of your friends, it would mean the world to me. And until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.